What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna do some goose on today. Late season, it's cold. We got a little bit of snow on the ground. We got probably 3 inches like a week ago, but I got one this week, so a lot of it melted. But it's cold now, and it's gonna start dropping in temps. So hopefully these geese want to work a little more. Hedden got us permission on a high field up here. It's a cornfield. The geese are actually feeding down this way a little bit, so we're going to try to trap them up to this hill. Hopefully they'll want to fly around. Maybe a few will do it. There's a bunch of geese, we can hear them, so we're just going to see what we can do. We got 5 dozen dive bomb V2s out. I would show you the spread, but the wind is kind of horrible. So 5 dozen V2s, and then we got like 2 dozen Bigfoots silhouettes. What am I saying? Not Bigfoot. Big Owl silhouettes. And then we got 9 Bigfoot full bodies. So kind of a mix of a spread, but we're doing what we can with what we got. So make sure you guys go like the video. Go subscribe if you aren't already. Also go check out the podcast. I'll link it down below. We're keeping up with the episodes here. So we're actually going to go record one after this hunt. So hopefully the next time I see you, we got geese working in the spread. Finally. Oh my god. Look at them drop. Those are lessers in the front. Shoot whatever. We're gonna get the backpack. Shoot the singles. Strong one, shoot it. Yeah. Got him.
Get back down the mic, come back.
Got him.
Attaboy.
Hey, I'd rather have that one though.
Yep.
I don't want the whole pack, you know?
Yeah, we got one.
Hey, you're gonna be my looker, I can't see.
Yep, right over top of us, coming in top left. That same group, another group right behind him. Far behind
They're coming back. Don't fight, don't fight. Watch this group in front of us. Watch this group. Go! Hurry up!
Well, see, let me just float right over top of us.
Pull these down.
Watch them. Right over top of us now. You want to take them? Little high.
They're gonna work in. These ones are gonna work in.
Watch the 3-pack in front.
closest bird. Watch back here, back here. More groups, come, more groups. Come over side line. Watch this group come from your left. Don't. Shoot these. Shoot these two. Look what time it is. Look what time it is. 4:15. Don't move. Get ready. We're gonna be coming over top. Don't move, head. All lessers. It's crazy. Keep watching. Tell me when they're good. Shoot that single. Screamer.
Got
it's
it!
yours, baby.
Finally.
Get down, get down, get down.
God. You're recording?
I'm jammed, yep.
Get it?
I'm jammed. I'm good. I want to take good shots.
I know, bro.
Tell me if there's birds like close. Like on the ground close. We're taking it. Don't move. Get down. There's too many birds. We have to let them work, dude.
Not that two back.
If you want to take
Right
a
on
shot,
top of your head, right now. Hold it.
Nice. Okay, you got two. I got two. We got one piece. There's more birds.
You gotta be selective now.
Yep. Gotta be smart. God, you sniped that bird, bro. Coming back. You're taking low shots. She's two. She's two. They're going left. Yeah, we're not taking that.
These two coming in heavy.
Okay, I see him. You take the first one, I take the second one. Oh my god. You call it on which birds you want. We got 5 right in front of us. They're off to the left, we're good. Just shoot these birds. Okay, wait a second, wait. Go. Did you get it?
Got him.
He's down. 2 minutes. Dude, we're done. We're just limited, baby. Look at all these birds in the air. Think about that, bud.
Let's go.
Let's go. I haven't done a whole lot of vlogging / talking to you guys, but once the birds started flying, it was like complete chaos. They just kept rolling in. Lessers, there's a ton of lessers around. I really wanted to get one, but none of the lessers wanted to work. So it's whatever. We got 6 Canadas, 2-man limit here in Iowa. So feels really good to actually, you know, feel accomplished. We actually got a limit. Not that it's always about that, but it is nice to finally get one this year. And it was with my buddy Michael here. First year a waterfowler, and this is our first limit together, first limit for the year. So got a couple weeks left waterfowl left here, but we're gonna see if we can just stay on them. But today's hunt was just kind of like, there's birds right up here trying to come in the spread right now actually. Anyways, birds are rolling, it's windy, audio is probably bad, but super happy about today's hunt. As you can kind of tell, I'm kind of speechless, to be honest, but we had our 5 dozen dive bombs, our couple dozen big owls silhouettes. Lar had 9 Bigfoots that we were using, so not a huge spread, and birds were just wanting to dump in. These ones wanting to dump in right now. Can't even do an outro, but yeah, 2-man Iowa limit. Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you go down below, hit that button for me. Give me some feedback in the comments if you want. I'd really appreciate it. See if we can hit like 15 likes on this video.
Thank you.
We're trying to film an outro here. Come on. Come on. Go back to water, okay? Alright. Anyways, subscribe if you haven't already. Go check out the podcast below. I'll link it below. And that's going to do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.